If you are walking down the streets, what type of people you will notice? Relate this question to your business. There are 5 types of people who you can notice when you are going down the street or along the street. The first one is the scary person. And if you come across somebody who scares other people, then you will notice that person. And mainly the news outlet based on this fact of scariness, so that they are looking for scary news and how they can deliver to their followers and those who watch those news. The second person is the strange person. And here, if you see someone who is carrying a bike while he was walking on the street, then you can say that, oh, this is strange. I have never seen such a person. The bike is meant in order to bike or to cycle, but this guy is carrying it instead. The third person is sexy. For example, if you see a beautiful girl or a handsome boy, then you can say that he is handsome or she is beautiful. And this is just like, for example, if you have a business in which your business is clean and the way that you treat the customers is very friendly. These are the 3 types of people that you will notice if you walk down the street, and you can relate these with your businesses. The 4th person is familiar or friendly. If you are walking down the street and all of a sudden you see your friend or father, mother, or your colleague at the other side of the street, then you can cross the street and start talking with him or her, that I have not known that you might come around here, and then you start connecting. And the 5th person that you are going to notice is the one who is providing valuable things for free. For example, if you have ideas, recipes, you have a planning, and you provide all these ideas, recipes, and planning free for other people in order to carry out what they are looking for, then you are providing value to those people without any reward. So people will notice you that you are providing value. And if you concentrate on these 2, then your customers will always is coming back to you as a person who is being noticed, person who is providing value to them. If you find value out of this video, don't forget to like it and also share with your friends and colleagues. And if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe. This is Ahmad Wedding.